So my other studio had this amazing window light, and I have a little bit here and I have a lot in my main area, but the direction of light is not ideal sometimes in that big area. So I am gonna use this weensy little space in my corner studio, and I'm gonna simulate what I used to do in my old studio. So if you look, these blocks allow me to do this, and you can see the beautiful light coming in here, and then this reflector over here bounces light back in. So stay tuned and I will show you what I get from that setup.